Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change location on Tinder. If you want to change your geographical location on Tinder, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tip: open a Tinder application or log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged into your Tinder account, go to the conda at the bottom right now from your profile, tap on Settings. Now under Discovery Settings, you'll be able to see My Current Location option. Tap it on and tap on Add a New Location. Once you do that, you'll be able to select the city you want to swipe in into the search bar. Select the country that you'd like to change to. And once you've done this, your profile will only be visible to Tinder users in that area. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll see you back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.